The Abbott government has now released its proposed changes to the Racial Discrimination Act. I and Labor believe these changes are a serious mistake. For 2 decades, Section 18C of the Racial Discrimination Act has protected people from abuse based on their ethnicity or their religion. Section 18C doesn't stop free speech, but it does stop hate speech. We should not be getting rid of this important protection. Labor believes in strengthening multicultural society. We believe in diversity. We believe it does not matter where you come from. It does not matter what faith you share. Everyone has the right to a fair go. Everyone has a right to live a life free from racist hate speech. And no one has the right to be a bigot. No one has the right to be a bigot. In the weeks ahead, Labor will be standing up against bigotry and racism and those who would allow it to be used in our community. If you want to help, please pass this message to your friends and your family. Thank you.